Hey guys, mindset, trend, and trades, and let's look at the charts. So today I wanted to take a quick look at, it's a risky position. It's a Canadian stock and it pays an extremely high dividend. The only reason I'm looking at it is because it's at a key level of support right now. The stock is MSTE, and it's Harvest MicroStrategy High Income Shares. It's an ETF. It's basically one of these covered call ETFs that tracks MicroStrategy. It has potential less downside risk, I guess, because it sells covered calls, but limits the upside with the covered call. But it pays a huge dividend. It says 73% right here, but I think as of now, it's about 55% yield on your dividend. Say you own 10,000 shares or $10,000 worth of this, you're going to be paid $5,500 a year to hold it. So, I mean, it was at this level, 1090 at the start of the year, and we're below it now. Like, I think it's a good play maybe to get in here at this 950, and maybe we come back to T1. We see 1456. But this is pretty much dependent on MicroStrategy and Bitcoin. You look at MicroStrategy here, it also has a bullish structure, and it's at the hop level as well. So both these are at optimum prices to enter for a long. If it gets below this hop level, we don't want to own the asset. Really, I don't think. I mean, you'd probably have another downside to 230, and then this other one, since it's a newer stock, it doesn't have any data. It's new territory down here. So the only level we have right now is this 950. So today it's at 942. Probably don't get in it unless it gets above 950 again. And it's really dependent on Bitcoin and the way Bitcoin goes. If you saw my video yesterday, I was saying, oh, Bitcoin was looking pretty good. We tested this all-time high of support. We pretty much tested this all-time support, and we stayed above the 109. Today was a much different day. Very heavy red candle here. So you can see we traded below this old all-time high at 106. So, and we haven't put in the daily close yet, but we need to definitely stay above this low here of 106.4. So we need to close above 106.4. If not, then this probably isn't the best time to be buying MSTE or MSTR, since they're pretty much just correlated with the price of Bitcoin. So if this does break this 106 level, we'll probably end up seeing 102 or 98,000. We'll test this 100,000 as support, or there'll be people around 100,000, and then 98's a big level, and then worst case scenario, I think we probably come down and hit 92. I know there was a gap there on the futures chart at 92,000. So hopefully that doesn't happen, but yeah, stuff changes instantly. Maybe they're wicking it down, and tomorrow they'll wick it all the way back up. We don't know. But below 106 and closing below this 106,400 is probably bad news. Probably want to be on the sidelines and watch it until we can get above this level again. But yeah, it's a little bit of a shakeout today, but I think just keep this stock on your radar if you're a Canadian investor. It pays a huge dividend, and it has potential. If we do end up getting reversal here on Bitcoin, it does start pumping, this will pump too. This you can hold in your tax-free or your RSP, and that'll be great returns. Plus getting paid a 55% dividend yield. So take a look into it, see what you think. I got a few of them. And I'll probably add more once we can kind of show 950 as support. I think it could be a good opportunity to keep on your watch list. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you want to look at anything else, and talk to you later.